Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the students of class 12A, are here to highlight a very important topic: save water. Water is life. Every living being on this planet, whether human, animal, or plant, depends on water to survive. Yet, we often take it for granted. This is a story which emphasizes on the importance of conserving water. Let us now enjoy this play. Every drop counts. Scene 1. At Ravi's house. It's a hot summer morning. Ravi is brushing his teeth with the tap running full blast. Maya enters. Ravi, why is the tap running while you're brushing? That's such a waste of water.
Oh, come on, Maya. It's just water. We have plenty.
That's not true. Many people don't have clean water. My grandmother walks 2 miles every day just to fetch a bucket. Have you ever thought about this? We can live without food for days, but without water, even a single day becomes a struggle.
Oh, yes. I never thought about that.
Scene 2. At the park. Grandpa is sitting on a bench after his morning walk and reading newspaper. Hello kids, what are you talking about? I'm trying to explain the importance and the need to conserve water. In my younger days, we collected rainwater and used it for washing. Now people just waste it without thinking. Yes, Grandpa, water is being wasted everywhere. People leave taps open, wash cars with hose, brush with taps open, and ignore leaky pipes.
Do you think small things like these really make a difference?
Absolutely. Big changes start with small steps. If everyone saved just 1 bucket of water a day, we could save millions of liters. If we continue to waste water at this rate, the day is not far when clean water becomes more precious than gold. We must remember that water conservation a habit worth forming.
Okay, Grandpa and Maya.
So, what can we do to save water? Turn off taps when not in use. Fix leaks immediately. Use a bucket instead of hose. Collect rainwater. Spread awareness.
Okay, Grandpa and Maya. I understood that.
Scene 3. Ravi's realization. Back at Ravi's house, he sees the garden hose running unattended. He turns it off.
Maya and Grandpa were right. I can do better.
He puts up a sign near the sink.
Turn off the tap. Every drop counts.
And from that day, Ravi changes its habit. He spreads the message at school, home, and to his neighbors. Because saving water is everyone's responsibility.
I learned that water is precious.
Every drop counts. Saving water is not just a responsibility, but it's a necessity.
Let us all promise that we will protect and conserve this precious resource. Because
When we save water, we save life.
dear friends, we have just witnessed the various forms of conserving water. Let us first start these things in our home, then school, and finally in our society. Because every drop counts.
Girls, now we request you all to repeat after us.
Turn off the tap when not in use.
Turn off the tap when not in use. Fix leaks immediately. Fix leaks immediately. Use bucket instead of hose. Use bucket instead of hose.
Collect rainwater.
Collect rainwater. Spread awareness. Spread awareness. Every drop counts. Every drop counts. So that when we save water, we save life. When we save water, we save life.